to Freema Synergy, the channel where we share practical and actionable insights for anyone who wants to start a business or grow wealth in Dubai. In today's video, we'll explore how to invest wisely in Dubai, with strategies to grow wealth and avoid common mistakes.
Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this guide gives you the knowledge to make confident, informed investment decisions.
Dubai offers unique opportunities for residents and expats, and knowing how to navigate them can mean the difference between success and loss.
In this guide, we'll cover the most effective investment strategies in Dubai, including real estate, stocks, mutual funds, gold, online businesses, and emerging sectors. We will also highlight mistakes that many investors make, so you can avoid common pitfalls and maximize your returns. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step plan to start investing smartly and safely. Dubai's growing economy and business-friendly environment make it an ideal location to put your money to work.
Before we dive into the first strategy, take a moment to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and commenting below.
Your engagement helps us create more in-depth guides that are beginner-friendly and actionable. Remember, investing smartly is about making informed decisions, managing risks, and being consistent over time.
Let's get started and explore how to invest your money wisely in Dubai while avoiding mistakes that can cost you dearly. Dubai has become one of the world's top investment hubs thanks to its strategic location, strong infrastructure, modern regulations, and stable economy.
Investors from Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas are drawn here because the city offers transparency and reliability and access to multiple profitable sectors.
This makes Dubai a fertile ground for businesses and personal investments that are structured and executed correctly. Another advantage is Dubai's favorable taxation system, with zero personal income tax and business-friendly free zones.
This lets investors keep more profits and take advantage of Dubai's strong real estate, tourism, and finance sectors. Investing in Dubai is not only about profit, it's about long-term financial security, wealth preservation, and growing assets strategically.
By picking the right sectors, diversifying, and avoiding mistakes, you can build wealth with minimal risk. Let's explore the first smart investment strategy. Real estate is one of the most reliable investment options in Dubai. Residential and commercial properties provide steady rental income. Property values have historically grown over time, making this sector attractive for investors seeking both long-term capital gains and immediate rental income.
You can start small with fractional ownership or REITs, letting you invest in property with minimal capital.
Even newcomers can profit from Dubai's real estate while managing risk, but proper research and prime location selection are key.
Common mistakes include ignoring market trends, choosing poor locations, or failing to understand property management. Avoiding pitfalls and seeking professional advice lets even beginners earn well in real estate. Avoiding pitfalls and seeking professional advice lets even beginners earn well in real estate.
Investing in UAE stocks offers growth and gains across multiple sectors with smart timing.
Mutual funds let beginners invest safely in diversified, professionally managed portfolios while tapping into Dubai's growing economy. Avoid trends, tips, and ignoring risk. Consistent, informed investing with patience beats impulsive decisions.
Dubai is a global gold trading hub, providing easy access for both physical and digital investments.
Investors often use gold to hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations, making it a strategic addition to any portfolio.
You can invest in physical or digital gold and ETFs to diversify your portfolio. Monitoring trends helps maximize. Common mistakes include buying gold without checking purity, trends, or storage. Learning and planning makes gold a secure, consistent investment in Dubai. Digital businesses and online income streams have become one of the fastest-growing investment opportunities in Dubai. E-commerce stores,
affiliate marketing, content creation, and automated services let investors earn passive income while keeping a full-time job.
The scalability of online businesses makes them extremely attractive, as small initial investments can grow into significant revenue streams over time.
Many investors start small, creating niche websites, dropshipping stores, or digital services tailored to specific markets.
Automation tools, social media marketing, and digital advertising allow you to reach global audiences without significant overhead. The key is consistency, quality, and targeting the right audience to maximize returns. Common mistakes include neglecting customer experience, overestimating initial revenue, or failing to maintain the platform. With smart execution, online investments can complement traditional portfolios and provide long-term financial growth. Investing in the UAE stock market via DFM or ADX offers wealth growth. Stocks, ETFs, and index funds cover finance, tech, real estate, and consumer goods, ideal for moderate-risk, long-term growth. For beginners, exchange-traded funds and mutual funds are safer options because they offer diversification and professional management. Even small amounts can be invested regularly to benefit from compounding. Tracking market trends, following company performance, and using regulated brokers are key to successful stock investing. Common mistakes include following short-term trends, emotional trading, or investing based on unverified advice. Educating yourself, staying patient, and consistently investing over time increases the likelihood of long-term financial success.
The stock market, when approached strategically, can become a reliable pillar in your investment portfolio.
Real estate rental properties and property flipping remain highly profitable in Dubai. Rental properties provide steady monthly income. Buying undervalued properties, renovating, and reselling can yield high profits. Choosing the right location and doing market research. Even investors with limited budgets can participate through fractional ownership, crowdfunding platforms, or small-scale rental properties. Professional management and partnerships ease operations, making property investments a consistent source of wealth in Dubai over time. Common mistakes include over-leveraging, ignoring maintenance costs, and underestimating demand. Proper planning, budgeting, and working with reliable real estate professionals significantly increase profitability. Dubai's property market. Gold and precious metals are a key part of a diversified portfolio in Dubai, with safe investment options through the gold souk and digital platforms. Investors use gold to hedge against inflation and balance their holdings. You can invest in physical gold bars, coins, jewelry, or digital gold ETFs, depending on your budget. Understanding purity, storage, and market dynamics is essential to avoid losses. Gold provides a reliable store of value and long-term appreciation potential. Common mistakes include buying from unreliable sources, neglecting storage security, and misunderstanding market timing. With careful research and reputable dealers, gold can provide stability and growth alongside other investments. Including gold in your portfolio is a strategy for protecting wealth while seeking profits. Starting a small business or investing in a startup can be highly profitable in Dubai, especially in technology, digital services, or health sectors.
Entrepreneurs benefit from low business setup fees and free zones, modern infrastructure, and access to a growing market. Even with a small initial budget, smart business ideas can scale rapidly. Investors can also participate as silent partners in emerging businesses, gaining equity while minimizing operational involvement. Choosing the right niche, understanding market demand, and seeking mentorship increases the chance of success. Dubai's entrepreneurial ecosystem provides networking opportunities and business support services for startups. Common mistakes include underestimating costs, overestimating revenue, and ignoring legal requirements. A structured business plan, financial discipline, and professional guidance are crucial. Even small businesses, executed smartly, can become highly profitable and sustainable over time. Diversification is the cornerstone of smart investing.
By spreading investments across real estate, stocks, gold, and online ventures,
You reduce risk and increase potential returns. Relying on a single investment exposes you to market fluctuations and unexpected losses.
balancing risk and regularly reviewing your portfolio helps protect capital and support steady growth.
One of the biggest mistakes is rushing into investments without research, often driven by hype or social media.
Another common mistake is putting all your money into one asset, which increases risk when markets change. Diversification is essential to protect your capital.
Many beginners overlook fees, taxes, and hidden costs, which can reduce profits over time. Knowing the full cost helps you invest more wisely.
The first step to smart investing in Dubai is setting clear financial goals that guide your strategy and discipline.
The second step is choosing investments that match your risk level and budget. Start small, learn, and increase gradually as your confidence grows.
Choose investments that fit your risk and budget, starting small and increasing as you gain confidence.
The third step is regularly monitoring and adjusting your investments to stay aligned with your goals and market changes. Smart investing in Dubai is about steady, informed growth. Patience is key. Discipline and consistency beat market timing. Regular investing builds habits and long-term growth. Mistakes are part of learning. Adapt and move forward confidently, and smart habits will build financial freedom.
To invest smartly in Dubai, start applying these tips. Like, subscribe, and comment @SmartInvest for more beginner-friendly guides.